Today is Tuesday, February 4th. I was very I actually feel really bad like saying this. I over leveraged a lot on my account. 50K account gone, which is cool. Like, I can just get another one. It's $50. I lost $700 on my main account. I lost $700 on my main account. And I risked a lot because I was too confident in this setup. I had it marked up. I thought it was golden. I still think it is, but I think I got in way too early. And it just went instantly against me. I should not have risked as much as I was risking. I don't like today. Like, the more I talk about it, the more I feel bad about it. And I really just want to, like, whatever, like, already is pushed out, whatever. I did it. The thing is closed. The trade is closed. The trade is done. I lost $700 today. And yeah, I mean, that's like, fuck that. It's a lot of money compared to my account. My account was only at $1,600. So that's damn near 45. That's damn near 50%. I damn near lost 50% of my fucking account, which is it. I mean, it is what it is, but it was very stupid of me. It's very stupid of me to risk that much on a trade. I was confident in it. Like, we gapped down from the market. I know these gaps are prominent. We gapped down. I marked up the gap as a break of structure. Maybe one day watching this back, I'll realize how dumb that was. I don't know, but I take the gaps as a very important break of structure. Gap down, we start building back up into the zone. So we got into the zone. Now I'm waiting for price to show that basically the pullback is over by breaking structure. So on the 30-minute, we had two lows that were broken completely. And then it start building back up. So what I should have done, because now it's building back up. Now this pullback is on. And I didn't wait for that pullback to be over. I just saw that we were now in this demand zone. In the supply zone. And that we were coming off of it. So I literally got in like right here. I shouldn't have even lost 700 because I wouldn't have even lost 700 if I had a stop loss. And I didn't have a stop loss. So I should have seen this, now that we're building up, now it's time to like start waiting for it to actually come down. And I got tricked. I tricked myself. I've been studying my ass off, which is why I get so confident. I've been studying my ass off. And for me, it was marking up the zone, waiting for price to get in the zone, the hour zone, because those are more prominent. Waiting for price to get in that zone, for the pullback to be over by breaks of structure. And when that pullback is, I'm feeling really fucking bad right now. And when that pullback is over, it will be confirmed And then once it hits the zone, once it hits the supplier demand zone, get in. And that's what I've been practicing. And it's beautiful. It's a beautiful setup. It really is. It really is a beautiful setup, and honestly, I just didn't execute it right. I mean, to me, I did, but I just didn't, and I should have been looking. And this thing is just pumping. Like, that's the worst part, is like I was completely wrong. And you know what it is? What the fuck it is? It's so annoying, but it's like, I need to refine, and I need to fucking... We're gonna see what happens off this zone. If it completely blasts through this zone, then like, okay. And it could, because at the end of the day, these are lows that were broken though. At the end of the day, these were lows that were broken. Like, I'm looking at it and I'm like, okay, well, you know, we have this low here, and it did come down here, but it didn't break this low, but it broke this one, this one, this one. It broke all these lows. All right, so I'm only trying to go based off of, you know what I mean, this. So, like, what I'm looking for is like something like this, like where it broke structure, right, made this demand zone, tapped back into the demand zone, right? That's the hourly demand zone. And then it pulled back into this, it is doing the pullback into the zone. It tapped the zone. Let me go to the 10-minute. It taps the zone. Now we're waiting for a break of structure. Breaks the structure. Pulls back a little bit. Right? Breaks structure again. Pulls back into the zone. Let me see. So you can see the wick. Wicks into the zone. Rejects it. Entry. Entry. Alright? Then basically comes back to that same hourly zone, bow, comes back, breaks structure with the demand zone, we tap into the demand zone. I'm not looking for price to go, tap into the demand zone. I'm not looking for price to go back below here. I'm looking for it to trade upwards off of here, right? So maybe I had the wrong zone marked up. I'm thinking because it's a gap down and it broke structure that, you know, but if I had even just did that, that became invalid. You see how, like, when you look back at stuff, you can really see what you did wrong? Already, just that should have let me know that the zone was invalid. And it did not. And honestly, I did again what I said I wasn't gonna do, and I needed to get spanked for that, and I definitely got spanked today. I'm working. All my money is going into this account. I don't really give a fuck. All my bills I know will be good. I really don't fucking care, bro. I'm not stopping till I get out of here, bro. So if I gotta lose hundreds of dollars, thousands of more dollars, I've already lost thousands. So what is it to lose a couple thousand more for the knowing that I will change my life with this? It'll be nothing it'll be nothing in a little while, you know. But this was a very stupid mistake that I made, and it is my mistake. Like, I literally should have seen that the thing was invalid. The zone was invalid. So I should have seen that, and I should have seen that it was building up, and I should have been in buys and not sells. So that's what happens when you over leverage and you get into stupid trades. You fucking